Hey guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you would subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I have my November update for the Colourpan 3.0 Project Pan. So if you want to hear everything I'm working on, rolling out, rolling in, all of the details, let's go ahead and just get on into it. So if you don't know anything about this project, it was created by Misty Pans, and it started on January 18th and goes till technically December 18th, but I don't stop for that 1 month. I just keep it on trucking. You're supposed to use anything ColourPop, Fourth Ray Beauty, and Soul Body. I literally only have ColourPop products. It's rolling style. You're originally supposed to pick 3 to 6 products, and you set your own goals. All of my products that are not palettes, I have a 3-use goal, and palettes are no pan left behind for me, personally. So, we'll start from oldest to newest. I think in October I rolled this in. It is the Blowing Smoke palette, and you would have thought I would have used this in October. But I'm working on a lot of palettes, as you saw in my what I'm working on video. I will leave that linked in the eye as long as I remember. I'm trying to be better about that. But this is what the Blow and Smoke palette looks like. This is my best and favorite silver in my entire collection. I just haven't given this some love. I will, I promise. I haven't even touched this at all yet. But great companion palette. Love it very, very much. I'm working on a lot. I'm so sorry. But, well, I do have progress on other things. I promise. Then everything else I think was rolled in last month. So, we got some progress. We're doing things. So, we'll start with the Super Shock YOLO, which this took me forever to find. It looks like this. It is very pretty. Have not used it at all yet. We have the Super Shock Mountain Lion. No, that one's Frog. Jesus. These look very similar, to be honest. That one's Mountain Lion. Haven't touched it yet. Then we have Frog. I did use this once in October for 1 out of 3 uses, and it's very pretty. I really like the shape Frog. Got really nauseous there for a second. My meds. I really like the shade Frog, but I have 1 out of 3 uses. Hopefully I can have this as a rollout next month, but trucking on my Super Shocks. Then we have the one eyeliner that I rolled in. It was the shade Piggy Bank. It is this gorgeous purple. It's the same color as this packaging here. I used it once in October for 1 out of my 3 uses. I'm not working on a lot of purple. I do have a little bit of purple in my projects currently, but I'm just not a lot right now. So we're trucking along. I'll save that for the end. We have my Jelly Mutt shadow in Forever Valentine. Didn't touch it yet. We have the loose shadow in the Scales, which I didn't touch yet. I could have put it in today's look, but I use Imageddon shadows, because if I don't use 6 of my Imageddon shadows, then, which you would have already seen my Imageddon update, then they have to be decluttered by next month, so. But I also have a lot of pink that I'm working on, so haven't touched that. And then we have the Super Shock Dost Thou Comprehend, which I love my orange Super Shock, and haven't touched that. So kind of a disappointing update. We do have a rollout, which is great. This is what's on my eyes today with, you know, a couple other things. But I did hit No Pan Left Behind today on my ColourPop Wild Child palette, which this was brand new to me. I got this in the October, at least I think I got it in October, the Boo mystery box. So this is what it looks like. I used this, and this shade in October, and I used everything else in November, literally everything else in today's look. That glitter center shade is what's on my lid. Gorgeous. And the other standout shade for me is Grasslands. It's a sequin. It's one of the mattes with glitters. I love ColourPop's matte with glitter shades. I know a lot of people don't, but I do. So pretty. So let me put that notebook back. Let me highlight that that is done. And we do get to roll in one item, which is lovely because that is the best part of doing this. So for you, it'll be right here on the screen. For me, we're doing it right now. So one. What are we getting? Let's us see. The Vogue blush. So give me absolutely 2 seconds. I will go grab that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's from the Ornate collection, I believe. And it's a pressed powder blush. Like I said, in the shade Vogue, it does have a mirror, which I'm pretty sure I pulled the sticky off of. But this is what Vogue looks like. Has a beautiful embossing. And it's a very pretty, like, cool. Well, it's cool-ish. Looks cooler toned in the pan, but like pink. It's a very pretty, like, rosy pink shade. So that'll be really nice. I'm actually working on a lot of blushes right now, so that's fun, but 3 uses on this guy. Hopefully that won't take me too terribly long, but it's nice. I don't think we've rolled in I already put it away. But let me look. I don't think we've rolled in a blush. At least not in a long time. So let's see. Jelly Much, loose. Super Shock, palette, single, eyeliner, Super Shock, powders. We rolled in a blush stick. And yeah, in this iteration, in 3.0, all we've rolled in blush-wise is we rolled in 1 blush stick. So that's really nice. And that was months and months and months ago. So that is our 1 roll-in. And I'll be very excited to use that. So I hope you enjoy. I know it was kind of a lackluster update. I need to get working on all my singles. I know. But it's just hard to use potted singles, magnetic singles, palettes. I have so many shiny things that I gotta work on, and I need to just be better about using more shiny things in looks, layering them on. So that's gonna do it for today's update. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, as always, leave them in the comments down below. I love chatting with you there, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.